Hey guys, Chris McNaughton here, Sales Manager at CarBahn, and today I wanted to talk to you about our extended care warranty program specifically for modified vehicles. So the two different types of warranty programs that we offer is a powertrain warranty as well as a bumper-to-bumper warranty that has very few exclusions. The vehicles that are acceptable can go back as far as 20 years old, and the terms that we can offer goes out to a 7-year and 200,000 mile extended warranty from the date of purchase. Under the modified vehicle program for these warranties, the modifications or upgrades that would be covered include software, performance controllers, cold air intakes, exhaust modifications, including high flow catalytic converters, turbocharger upgrades, as well as fuel system upgrades. We get a lot of requests regarding the warranty and if it's transferable. It is transferable. If you go to sell the vehicle, there is a one-time $50 charge to transfer the warranty to the new owner. This warranty is underwritten by Cornerstone. They've been around the business now for 50 years this year. They are a U.S.-based company and they have a U.S.-based call center. They are one of the highest Better Business Bureau rated warranty companies in the country. So if you're interested in this warranty or to get a quote, you can reach out to any of the CarBahn dealers that we have enlisted on our website in our network, or you can give us a call at 866-558-4314, and my extension is number 1. Thank you for listening to this video today. Look forward to working with you.